Hello again, I'm Jen Monclus, Elite Certified Sales and Leadership Trainer, here to have a quick discussion with you guys about why your advisors can never hold back on recommendations. Many advisors do hold back. I know even some shop owners do this as well, and they tend to do that with first-time customers or visitors. So I want to share with you guys that it's your advisor's ethical and professional responsibility to share everything. Full disclosure is what I'm talking about here, guys. A lot of the times advisors are timid. They don't want to disclose everything because it might scare the first-time customer away or intimidate them, alienate them, however you want to, describe that. But as I mentioned before, it's your ethical responsibility to fully disclose. And that's a common mental state advisors get stuck in. So here at Elite, we highly advise against that mindset. We want full disclosure because if you don't, that could be harming your brand that you've worked so hard to build. And first-time customers, just like repeat customers, have high expectations that you're going to do a thorough job in inspecting their vehicle and sharing the news, the discoveries. It has nothing to do with dollars and cents here, guys. So you got to be conscious of this mindset. Even if you discover $5,000 worth of work and maybe the car's technically worth $1,000, it's not your advisor's decision to make that call. Your customers might actually really love that car. It could be the best investment they ever make, and it's their money and their decision. So try to get out of that mental state and take this tip. It's going to be really helpful in changing how your advisors present the work. Thanks.